It is great to see you all again at Wealthy Coins. This week, SHIB will go down to zero in just this manner. Updates regarding SHIBA INU today. A major announcement is expected later today in the United States, and SHIBA INU price is preparing for it. Multiple indicators on the chart indicate a critical juncture. If the bulls wish to capitalize on the current trend, they will need to take a risk here. Due to the steady price action and ample opportunity for it to go higher, bulls have a 30% chance of making a profit on this breakout bet. In the video, we will discuss this. Because of this, SHIBA will go bankrupt this week. SHIBA INU news for today. If you want to see more videos on SHIBA INU prices and expert predictions, be sure to subscribe to the station, share, and give us a thumbs up. The video should begin immediately. There has been an upward movement in the SHIBA price during the European session. Prices were supported and stayed above 0.00000100 by the 200-day simple moving average SMA on Wednesday. The rising trend line is being approached by the sellers. Then there will be no crossing of the line. The breakout encounters no resistance until it reaches the 55-day simple moving average SMA, giving SHIBA bulls a decent shot at an upward move. If additional positive news comes in from the key game show, the bulls can reclaim that important number, which is slightly over 0.000120. So if Friday's prediction of 0.000130 comes true, SHIB could receive more funding. The upward green trendline poses the greatest danger of a decline. The region below the 100 level is somewhat uneventful, but a break there might trigger a significant movement, given that the monthly S1 is in the red line at 0.966 for the March low. A rapid decline to 0.738 is possible. The market base for SHIBA INU, the second biggest memo coin globally, continues to develop. Most recently, the SHIBA INU group pushed for the sale of HHIB coins on major Japanese cryptocurrency platforms. It was announced not long ago that Bitflyer, one of the largest marketplaces in Japan with over 2.5 million members, would begin facilitating the trade of SHIB coins. This morning, March 22, Bitflyer was in the news. Bitflyer, headquartered in Japan, has been mum regarding its strategy thus far. The company also launched an SHIB handling party, where 20 lucky winners would share a prize fund of 10,000 yen. Starting today, March 22, the campaign will run until Bitflyer acquires SHIB, at which point it will end. There are other cryptocurrency markets besides Bitflyer in Japan that can process SHIB. The San Francisco-based OKCoin Exchange's Japanese subsidiary, OKCoin Japan, has been accepting SHIB transfers as of February 28. Also, according to the exchange, the SHIBA INU offering was well received. Not only that, but MemoCoin SHIBA INU's burn rate skyrocketed, jumping by 4,600%. A token's burn rate is the amount of tokens removed from circulation. The overall quantity of SHIB crypto is lowered by this. The widespread belief is that SHIB's value will increase as a result of this massive increase in the burn rate, which effectively decreases the supply. However, buyers are perplexed because the market price of SHIBA INU has remained relatively unchanged. Here we have SHIBA INU Memo Coin, which has a current market cap of $6.4 billion and is trading at 0.001089. Although the Bitcoin market as a whole rose this month, SHIBA INU opted not to. The lack of movement in the SHIB price over the past 2 weeks indicates that both buyers and bid dealers are uncertain about the future of the cryptocurrency. The primary development team at SHIBA INU has been too sluggish when it comes to starting Shibarium, the protocol for Layer 2 scaling. On top of that, Shibarium isn't the only project that's prepared to start. Many are eagerly anticipating the launch of SHIB, the Shibarium platform's metaverse. Some industry watchers remain bullish on SHIBA INU, despite the company's tardiness in joining the current market surge. A prominent crypto enthusiast named David Gowen recently stated that his wager on SHIB at 0.01001 remains enforceable. And yet, Balaji Srinivasan is putting his money on Bitcoin hitting $1 million. Nonetheless, the SHIB price would see a massive 100-fold increase right now if this happened. Goen has threatened to deactivate his 700,000 follower Twitter account if that doesn't happen. Markets are receiving funds from a cryptocurrency wallet with a large number of SHIBA INU tokens. Based on historical statistics, it is probable that token prices would temporarily decline if the wallet owner decided to sell their tokens. Gemini and Crypto.com received around 182 billion SHIBA INU tokens on Monday morning in Asia from wallet 0x86. The same wallet allegedly sent over 200 billion SHIBs to Crypto.com and sold them for USD 3 months ago, according to a tracking website called Look Unchained. Shortly after that, SHIB's price fell 7%. By tracking the trades of large holding banks' tokens, one can observe how prices are fluctuating. There will be more tokens available for purchase and sale, which could lead to a decline in price. Even if the money is transferred to linked decentralized finance apps, prices might not fall immediately. According to additional scan data, Wallet 0x6 currently has about 3.1 trillion SHIBA INU tokens, which is equivalent to nearly $40 million. Just over 0.3% of all SHIBA INU pieces are available in that size. As per Look Unchained, the software was used to purchase SHIBA INU coins in August 2020 using Tenether ETH, which had just expired at the time. SHIBA INU coins have maintained a constant price despite the increase in the value of Bitcoin. While Bitcoin struggles to break through the $28,000 mark, MemoCoin lags behind most other cryptocurrencies. The SHIB price chart appears to be in a pre-storm state as investors await the launch of its Layer 2 network. As of this writing, SHIB's Friday gain is a meager 0.85%. Famous cryptocurrency MemoCoin is now trading at 0.1067%. Coin price is up 10.8% from monthly low and down 32% from year-to-date high. Slowly but surely, the price of SHIB is rising at the moment, which could signal a major shift in the near future. Recently, the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain's long-awaited launch has dominated SHIB news. Because this could lead the price of SHIBA INU coins to rise, it has become one of the most anticipated events in the MemoCoin community. There is still no word on when the mainnet will launch, and the developers of the new blockchain are being tight-lipped about their progress. Since March 11th, the public has had access to the network in a test form. Because it recycles an existing chain's ID, the new MemoCoin blockchain isn't as appealing as it once was. It was brought up on the group's Discord by someone. On the following SHIB chart, you can observe that the price may reach a low point on the daily chart. Technically speaking, this looks like weakness and might be the beginning of a downward trend, according to analysts. Both the 200-day moving average and the support level of 0.108 USD have been breached by the price. One such decentralized financial initiative that uses the Ethereum blockchain is DeFi, of which the Coil coin is a component. Building a platform where users may access and utilize decentralized financial services, such as lending, borrowing, and staking is its primary objective. Coil coin is the cryptocurrency that the platform uses internally. This is a payment method that users can use to access the site's various financial services. According to CoinMarketCap, the token's market value is under $8.4 million, placing it 3,180th. To make matters worse, the initiative has frittered over 4,631 billion SHIBA INU tokens, roughly $50,000, in the past 10 days.